It is a story of a small man, Jadav Molai Paying is a highly capable person born in mono nomadic tribe of Assam, born in 1963. He is working as a forest worker since the age of 16 years. Once a large number of snakes died in flood, then after he decided to prevent the forest, and after his work over the 1360 acres, today there is a jungle called Molai jungle. Many people came together to destroy the forest, but a single person from its determination can establish a new forest. Now we have to see about environmental conservation and biodiversity. Most harmful effect of environment pollution occurs on living organism. How you see some example of this in your area? Our living world had become richly diverse so that the varieties of plants and animal can also destroyed. Biodiversity is the richness of living organism in nature due to presence of variety of organisms, ecosystem and genetic variation within a species. Biodiversity occurs at a three different level. First level is genetic diversity. Occurs of diversity among the organism of some species in genetic diversity. Species diversity. Innumerable species of organisms occurs in nature. This is called species diversity. Species diversity includes various types of plants, animals and microbes. Ecosystem diversity. Many ecosystems are present in each region. Ecosystem is formed through the interaction between plants, animals, their habit and change in the environment. Each ecosystem has its own characteristic animals, plants, microbes and abiotic factors. Ecosystems are also of two types, as a natural and artificial. Sacred graves. The forest conserved in the name of God and considered to be sacred is called as a sacred graves. In our India and Maharashtra, there are so many sacred graves. Over than 13,000 was established due to this reason. Now in figure we have to see some symbols, and from symbols we have to conclude some observations that save water, eco-friendly cycle, save electricity and throw the garbage in dustbin. Now there are some voluntary organizations and international environmental organizations which can prevent the environment and conservation of environment, and rules some regulations about environmental conservations and protection. Many peoples in the society are voluntarily coming together to perform this noble work, and many institutes at state, national and international levels are involved in this work. Some of these are listed below. Now what is my role in environment? First one is conservation, second one is control, third one is production, Fourth one is prevention. Fifth one is also prevention, and second one is awareness. So what is our conservation? Conservation, the available resources. Control means preventing the harms, stopping the harmful activities, changing the mindset. Production, attempting the innovation. Awareness, education, guidance, awareness, imagination, organization, participation. Preventions, preventing noble harms, designing new plants, factors harmful to environment. Preventions, preventing whatever has been left over, remedies to prevent the further losses. Preventing, preserving the unknown regions. There are some hotspots of biodiversity. 34 highly sensitive biodiversity spots are reported all over the world. Such areas has one occupy 15.7 areas of earth. At present, 86 of the sensitive areas are already destroyed. Presently, only 2.3% area of earth has been left over the sensitive spot. It includes 1,50,000 plant species, which are 50% of the world count. As far as India is considered, out of 135 species of animal and 85 species are found in the jungles of eastern region. About 1,500 endemic plant species are found in western Ghat. Out of the total plant species in the entire world, 50,000 are endemic. Collect more information about the location of these hotspots present in our world and our India. So there are classification of threatened species, endangered species, rare species, vulnerable species, indeterminate species. From these we have to know about the some species which are rare existence in earth. So thank you. This information is given in our chapter.